64 level 6 DCs,
Okay.
220Ks. They're both at high vol. 200 hours of lithium proto banks.
Okay.
370 and 300 brand X.
Nice. Very nice. Do you know your tunings on this 6th order yet?
Not anymore.
You've done a lot of mods and changes?
Yeah.
Very nice. You've done a lot of fab work, I can tell. It looks really good. I know bass is destroying everything.
Yeah. I don't know how it's still going this thing.
Have you ever broke your glass?
Never. Well, this is so flush.
Yeah.
There's no.
Okay. Yeah, you won't hit the glass. Got it. That's a good thing then. All right. Yeah, I'd love to get a demo. Low frequency around your peak that you know. Do you have any songs like that? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I come in? Very nice. I like your solid platform right here, man. Looks good. I bet you it stopped the flex though.
Messing around with it, just keep fucking.
Oh yeah, that's all good. So can you tell me your name real quick? Wow. Have you clamped your power out of the amps at all, just to know?
Not yet.
No, yet? Okay.
Not yet. Before all that one and I was clamping like 11,000.
11,000, yeah. It just deviates from all frequencies, yeah, man.
But now I have no idea because I went up in voltage and more power and the XT4s last time.
Yes, sir.
With the 230Ks.
Mm-hmm.
That was okay.
Yeah.
That was okay, but the Koreans they do better in the lower.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Lower
Can I see the back? Yeah. Is there a way? I know you got some people wanting to hear it, but awesome. Woo. It's okay, man. Very nice. And these are at 1 ohm or half ohm? Okay. Yes, sir. Woo. Thank you very much. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough. We got a Jose's system at the Ruckus and Chill Fayetteville, North Carolina show. Go ahead and give him a like, as well as comment what you like about his system. Insane amount of power in his Escalade. Pretty much 40,000 watts on tap here if you run it at 18 volts. Insane amplifier. I actually looked up the specs because I was curious. It's very uncommon to see amps this big. It's rated at 20,000 watts at 18 volt. He's around the 15 to 16 volt range, so he's probably getting more around the 16,000 watt range on this system per amp. So over 30,000 watts between the two. A lot of extreme fab work built into the vehicle in the cabin, so you can kind of see where he's trying to stop the flex and reinforce everything. Definitely a lot of his work has gotten into this and is doing over a 160 dB on music, so be sure to give him a like. This is a 6th order box enclosure with that rear port. Really low-end tuning. He didn't know the specs on the enclosure. Sorry about that. But this is the specs of the subwoofer. It is rated at 4,500 watts each RMS for these level 6 18s. So 4 18s in a 6th order. Total of, it says 40,000 watts on the amp spec, but it's probably more like 32 to 35,000 watts. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do daily car audio videos every day on JacobViral, and you got to stay tuned for more every day. This demo, there's going to be 2 different people inside, as well as I got some good outside flex, and I got some crazy subwoofer flex, so enjoy the demo. Something that's windy. You play whatever, man. Okay.
No, sorry, the good one there.
All right, I'm coming over there after this one, all right? Thank you. I'll be right there.
You can get the biggest Chanel like in the store if you want, and I gave them the juice. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Something like that shit gets spread. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night.
USB pop. Hey, awesome, man. I really appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Jose.
Jose, thank you very much for the demo, man. Man, that is windy. 24 hertz pushing that authority.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gotten better.
Man.
I had the XT4s last time.
Yes, sir.
With the 230Ks.
Mm-hmm.
That was okay.
Yeah.
That was okay, but the Koreans, they do better in the
They do?
lower.
Yes, sir.